Alright, guys, do you ever find yourself struggling to create visually appealing Excel chart or presenting data in simple bar chart like this? Not anymore. I'm about to reveal a game changing method that will completely transform the way you create Excel Let's bar go to the charts. Excel and start creating our smart bar chart. So, this is the data. Here I have salesperson, sales target, and actual sales, for which I have to create a data bar chart. I will go to insert, data chart, and I will insert this chart. Now I will do some cleanup, so I don't need this grid line. I will give chart title sales actual versus target. Now I will start the method through which we can create a visually appealing bar chart. So what I will do, I will select the sales target bar and I will open format data series. I will change the axis. I will put this into secondary axis, so this will overlap. Now we can see if in axis title, axis bar, this is different and this is different. So we have to make it equally. So now this is matching. Again, I will select this thing. I will go to fill and line, solid line, and I will put transparency as a 60%. And I will make it little bit darker. With this, and I will go to series option. From gap width, I will decrease the width to 50%. Now, if you want, you can add the data label, or you can add you can also change the color of actual sales. You can see I cannot select the actual sales. To select it, what I will do, I will just multiply any of the value so that I can select it. What I will do, I will select color as a black. I will delete this, and now I will correct the value which I have multiplied. So this is the final chart, which looks more visual appealing and aesthetic and eye catching. Thanks for watching.